Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In today's video I want to explain the APDC cycle, what it's about. Okay. Well, first, what what is APDC? Plan, do, check, cycle is a four-step iterative by design method used for control and continual improvement of process and products. Is also known as the cycle. This is a method that is so important in every organization, in every company, because allows you to, if you are here, this allows you to be here. Okay. And now we're gonna check it out. Okay. First, plan. What's plan? In this planning, in the planning stage, problems are identified and analyzed according to the following order. Select and prioritize problems to be analyzed, clearly define the problem and establish a precise problem statement, perform situation analysis to be used by baseline data, be a measurable goal, perform root cause analysis, identify interventions that will address the root cause of problems, select an intervention and develop an action plan. This is the could be for me the most important stage because it's when you identify the problem. Sometimes it's easy to identify or it's difficult to identify a problem. So depends on um, depends on maybe your niche, your industry, or even your company, how the problems are attacked. Okay, attack. Do at this stage the team implements an action plan developed in the previous stage to make the desired changes. This involves the following steps: execute the action plan on a trial or pilot basis, practice the process methods, make the changes, don't strive for perfection but look for what we can do in practical. The most important thing in this stage is no matter how the execution is, the matter of this is you have to execution the plan. Okay, no matter if it's not perfect. Okay, no matter that. The problem is when we trying to do a perfect plan, okay, and we don't uh, let the execution tell us what's the problem or what's the areas that we can improve. Okay, plan. So that's the reason. Don't strive for perfection, but look for what can be done in practical way. Okay. Check. At this stage, data is collected once again to measure if these actions taken have improved the situation. It involves the following steps: check whether the standard is being followed, measure the indicators are and compare it with the baseline, record the results, check what's working and what's not, identify systematic changes, practice and improve the activities as per the defined method. Okay, this is like the stage where we can identify what's working, what's not, what have to be changed in order to be what we're looking for perfection. Okay, and in the act phase, interventions that are found to be effective are standardized by developing standard operation procedures, which involve the following steps: continue activities that went as planned and were found effective, review why activities that didn't perform well, and propose changes, adapt the intervention solutions, and as standard. Okay, standardized. Plan ongoing monitoring of the integration solutions. Continue to look for incremental improvement to refine interactions solutions. Look for the next improvement opportunity. Okay, this is where this stage where the cycle uh, start again in a certain way, because in the act we're looking for a new opportunity, the next improved opportunity. Okay, so that's why we called it the win cycle of APDC cycle, because it's a cycle where we're finding we're looking for improvement, okay, optimization. So for example, here's an example: imagine you are a car manufacturer company and you have problems with some pieces that doesn't pass quality control, and this percentage is 40%. How do you improve the assembly line? In the station plan, we have to um, analyze some problems, some possibly problems that affect the assembly line. So we use a Ishikawa diagram or cause and effect diagram to look at some reasons that affect assembly line. For example, uncalibrated tools, zero use of the manufacturing, that is very important. Operator doesn't know the process. He's worried about the deadly firing. Okay, maybe it's something that stress the operator. Air conditioner doesn't work correctly. 70% of the machines have lack of maintenance. This is very important. We're gonna talk about it in another video. Okay, in material whips we have changed supplier. Maybe this is cheaper than the other. The deliveries is faster than the other suppliers, and maybe the quality of the materials has down. Okay, so do we choose the problem of zero use of lean manufacturing, so that the plan is implement pokayokes. Okay, we create pokayoke that helps operators use the tools and show how to do the process correctly. This is important to decrease accidents, to decrease cost of operations. Again, time. We are saving time in this implement of Pokayoke. Okay, check in check we check. Okay, if there is any change after we implement Pokayoke, we use data to compare the outcome. Okay, obviously there is gonna be a result, possibly or negative. We don't know. But obviously we looking for a positive result. So we can see an important decrease of bad pieces and operation costs. Okay, bad pieces, decrease of bad pieces and operation costs, because the operators are using the machines correctly, they are using the tools correctly. Okay, and act. In this stage is where we can find improvement areas. For example, we realize that even with the Pokayoke, the process can be optimized by via new tools. For example, the machinery, the tools are 10 years old maybe, and we have this other new technology with AI or something like that, so that could help improve the process, um, optimize resources. This is very important. um, this is all. This is it for today. I hope you enjoy this video. Subscribe if you like it. uh, I'm not talking properly, correctly, because remember I have my lungs surgery that have a limit. I'm limited about limited words. So yeah, this is it. Tell me in the comments what's there on the video you like to see. Okay, what problems. Another thing, Paco, why I don't have this car company. I have a baking shop. I have a wood workshop. There is gonna be always ways to improve your process, your service. Okay, always. In this case, APDC Cycle could help you a lot if you execute correctly every stage of this cycle. Okay, of this method. I hope you enjoyed. See you in the next video. Ciao.